Tired of sweltering in the heat during summer? Wouldn't it be wonderful to have an air conditioning solution that keeps your home cool and comfortable, no matter the temperature outside? Meet Daikin, a cutting-edge inverter AC designed to provide consistent cooling and energy efficiency, ensuring your comfort all day long. How it works. With Daikin Inverter AC, the compressor adjusts its speed to maintain the desired temperature, reducing energy consumption. Daikin offers advanced technology that optimizes cooling and minimizes energy usage for a more sustainable home. Inverter technology uses less energy while providing powerful cooling, making it an eco-friendly choice for your living space. Plus, a quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment. With Daikin, you'll experience energy savings of up to 30%, whisper-quiet performance, and reliable cooling even in extreme heat. Advanced filters improve air quality, while smart features enhance convenience, ensuring your home stays comfortable, no matter the weather. Daikin Inverter AC is designed for longevity, with durable components and easy maintenance, providing you with peace of mind. What our customers say. Sounds exciting? Choose Daikin today.